This 50-inch wide union tool rotary laminator was designed to apply bonding pressure for the purposes of laminating two substrates or web materials together. The 6.5-inch diameter rolls have a 1/2 inch rubber covering. The rolls are in good condition. They can be further dressed if you need them to be near flawless. Both rolls are chain driven through a 1/2 horsepower Balder motor featuring forward and reverse. This particular machine has the optional 6-inch diameter air cylinders that provide an adjustable amount of laminating pressure up to a maximum of 2,800 pounds of pressure per cylinder at 100 PSI. And again, you can adjust that pressure. This relates to 97 pounds of line contact pressure per linear inch of a 50-inch wide machine. You also do have a total of 4 support rollers. You have 2 on the infeed, 2 on the outfeed. The case of this machine is 22 inches wide, not including your front shutoff or your front controls. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.